Now, the usage of a circle, okay, like that is what? You can use this to use in your videos to do a visual cues. Instead of you explaining stuff like that and people, okay, is there a way, if you watching some lot of tutorial, right? If somehow the teacher, lecturer can show me, okay, this is where you have to click. Give me a visual clue, okay? That's where the circle, an animated circle like that, right, can help you do that, okay? That's why I designed that kind of circle. So I can use this to do my tutorial. On Lumafusion, you have to go here. So I circle that. That is one way you can use your circles. Now, it's also a good idea if you are a vlogger, for example, okay? You want to show people some important place on the map, you use that circle as well to overlay into your map, okay? And hey, from point here to point there. And since this is a video, you can do your cutting, do your, zoom in, zoom out, because I made it so you can do that. It's a green screen, so you can do whatever you want. Now, the other stuff you can use it for depends on how you design your circle, okay? You can do the dizzy part, okay? People dizzy, so you have the dizzy head, because people can spin around like that. And you have your chicken as well. You can move the chicken around. The same process can do with the chicken, okay? Right now, okay, if I add a chicken onto it, I can do the chicken, spinning around. And that is the next part I'm gonna do. My coming videos, no promise, okay?